Hi, I'm Amy Whalen. Welcome back to Table Flipping Housewife, or welcome if this is your first time. I want to show you guys how you can treat furniture that possibly has a bug infestation. I picked up this awesome, lovely piece of furniture from a friend of mine. It was in her family home, she said, for probably 40 years. When I was cleaning it a couple weeks back, I noticed that the back side shows evidence of a bug infestation. Now, most likely it's one of 3 different types of beetles, and what happens is that their larvae bore deep inside the wood, and then when they come out or emerge as adults, they leave behind these tiny holes. Now, the evidence of an active infestation will be a lot of powdery wood substance, and I didn't see any of that. I think that this was something that happened prior to them owning it. Nonetheless, I'm going to treat it just in case. Now, you have to treat a bug infestation in wood with a borate solution. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. And I did find a product on Amazon. You mix it with water, and I'll show you how I did it just a few moments ago. I got a disposable cup and emptied the powder into it and added just a little bit of water. I wanted to be sure that the powder was completely dissolved. I poured that into an old spray bottle and then proceeded to add the additional water that I needed. So let's get spraying. Now, when I sprayed the piece, I sprayed every single square inch of it, what you can see and what you cannot see. As you can see, I'm spraying the interior, not even just the inside of the door and the inside of that little cubby space, but up there too, I sprayed everything. After dousing the back, I put it on its back and then proceeded to spray all the surfaces I couldn't see when it was right side up. Now you can already see a little bit of a white powder consistency, and I will address that in just a minute. I left the piece out in the sun to marinate in the spray. Now, just in case you don't know what to look for, here are a few pictures. It was 2 weeks before I could get back. As you can see, it has a white residue on it, and the manufacturer indicates that that is not uncommon. It's simply excess boron from the solution that didn't penetrate the wood. You can easily wipe it off with water and a rag, and that's what I did. Alrighty guys, until next time.